Shreya this side. Hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different and exciting as well because I am going to recreate my top 4 celebrity airport outfit looks. So yeah, without further delay, let's just move into the video. Also, before starting the video, I just want to share that I bought all these outfits at very affordable range from Amazon, and the quality of these clothes are, I can't explain. These are so much soft, these are so much good quality. Premium quality के clothes मैंने लिए हैं Amazon से with an affordable range. So I will be sharing all the links below in the description box. Don't forget to check out that. So yeah, without further delay, let's just straight move into the video.
So the first outfit which I am going to recreate is Deepika Padukone's airport outfit. So here she is wearing a black full sleeve skippy with a white bell bottom pant, and she is looking absolutely stunning as always. But I have recreated it with the same black skippy but with white jeans because I was unable to find the exact pants. Next is Alia Bhatt's airport outfit. So first of all, she is wearing a really casual outfit, but she is killing it in this also. So I have recreated it with the same black jeans, black t-shirt and with a really cool check open button shrug. Also she is wearing really cool sunglasses which are round shaped. So I have found the exact sunglasses from Amazon at 120 only. I will be sharing the link below in the description box. Do check out that. Oh my god, next is Katrina Kaif's outfit look. Her outfit is really casual and cool at the same time. So I have tried my best to recreate it with the blue denims, with a white t-shirt and an open button denim long jacket with folded sleeves. And yeah, how can I forget these cool sunglasses? And I know you guys are really enjoying this video. So the next outfit which I will be recreating is Tapsee Pannu's airport outfit. So honestly, between all of them, this is my most favorite one, and I have recreated with a pretty yellow casual kurti which I bought it around like $4.99 only. Yeah, you heard it right. And the quality is superb. Guys, look at it, works and it's super comfortable to wear, especially in summers.
So that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and if you are wishing to buy any of this outfit, just check out the links below in the description box and give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and do let me know in the comment section which outfit you like the most. Also do let me know what kind of products you want me to add in my storefront, because I have my own Amazon store. I will create idea list for those products, and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.